Joining us again from Washington, D.C. is Pennsylvania Governor Ed Rendell. Governor, thanks for staying with us. On the issue of the Massachusetts election last night with Scott Brown defeating Martha Coakley, the Democrat there, seems to be a fight among Democrats today as to how to respond to that. There's the sort of dial back the agenda and lay low crowd, voiced by Evan Bayh, Joe Lieberman, and others. And then there's the get something done now crowd. Where are you on this?
I'm in the get something now crowd, and it's time for us to fight back. We have been in everything. I heard your piece about the TSA guy who didn't get confirmed. It's time for us to fight back. Look, if we're going to go down in 2010, let's go down doing something and fighting for things that we believe in as Democrats. Healthcare is number one. I do one of two things right now. Either what Howard Fineman says, piece it out, give them no one can be denied for pre-existing condition. No one can be dropped when they get sick, and take away the antitrust exemption. Dare Republicans and conservative Democrats to vote against that bill. I do that, and if we pass that, then the health insurance companies will be coming back to the Republicans and the conservative Democrats and saying, you got to pass the rest of this stuff because we need to have everybody insured to make it work financially. It would be a beautiful stratagem. But second, if we don't want to do that, then let's get the conference committees together, get the best health care bill we can, and go back to the Republicans and say to them, okay, folks, it only takes 51 to pass. It may take 60 votes to stop a filibuster. Game on. Go filibuster before the American people. Stand there for 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 8 days, 10 days. Read the telephone book, and let's see what the American people think about it after you're done. Give them your ideas. Let's force them to do it. I mean, you don't need 60 votes to pass legislation. You need 51. You only need 60 votes to stop a filibuster. If we make them filibuster, put the onus on them to explain to the American people why they're doing it. And again, if we're going to go down, and I don't believe we necessarily are going to go down, but let's go down fighting for the things we believe in. And we've always believed in health care for all. Hey, when Medicare was proposed, it was unpopular among the people. They didn't understand it, and it was unpopular. Social Security, the same thing. Let's go down fighting for what we believe in. And if we lose, we'll have lost for something worthwhile. And my guess is we won't lose because we'll get things done and we'll win.
Bingo. That last point, that's how you win, is by actually
doing
fighting.
something.
That's what I think, yeah.
That's what we're elected to do something.
Pennsylvania Governor Ed Rendell doing a lot recently. Thanks very much for joining us, Governor. It's great to have you. Appreciate it.
Go get them. We'll be